Hello everyone! This video is to show you how to input standards or skills into SeeSaw. What I have here is my SeeSaw account open, and then just here on this other web page I have the standards already pulled up. Now to put in, let's see, let me move this so you can see exactly what I'm doing. To put in skills, you want to use the wrench for settings and scroll down to the bottom where you see skills. Now, just kind of to preface, you can rate your students on different star ranges, which basically just means how many out of how many. So like a 1 out of 5 or a 1 out of 4. I chose the 4 because it matches our 1, 2, 3, 4 grading scale just from our report card, and then just selected that top portion there for how to actually color rate those different skills for my students. So going in, you're just going to click on Manage Skills, and then right here I've got all of the skills that I've already inputted. I only have a couple left to go finally, so I'm just going to go through that with you now. So you're just going to click on Add a New Skill, and the best way to do this is to do your copy and paste. Okay, so I've got measurement and data, and I'm just going to go here and copy my first skill, come back here and paste it in the describe box. The reason that I do this is because sometimes the standards are really long and you just don't really want that for the title. So what I do is paste the standard in there, and then I just kind of highlight kind of the main topic. So that's kind of plenty for that title. And then I'm going to go back and just copy here this little description for the quick code. Select my grade level, and then put in my subject and category. Now I've just chosen to use the same subject and categories that are listed for the standards in the course standards. You can do this however you'd like. One consideration could be to use your quick code as something that's like blue or green or yellow for the essential standards for this year. Let's see here. Now, once you're finished with that, all you do is push the check mark, and then it's going to pop up in your list. So I'm going to do that just 2 more times real quickly for you guys so you get the hang of it. We've got copy, paste in description, and then decide what portion of it you want it to be the title. Measure the length of an object twice using length units of different length measurements. So I'm going to do this first part. And on this one, just because that middle part is kind of important, I'm just going to do the ... And then go back and select my quick code and put that in there, select my grade level, do measurement and data, and then math, and check. And then the last time before we finish this video, we're going to have, ooh, nice short one. You can just put that right here in both of those. Grab my quick code, do my grade level, my subject, and my category. Now, if you're wondering how I did the copy and paste so quickly, you just highlight, and then copy is Command C, and then paste is Command V. So that's why you're going to be doing it without me kind of showing you that right click for having to do copy and paste every single time. So that's what that is. If you're wondering more about that, please go ahead and just ask me or send me an email if you'd like some more information on those shortcuts for the keyboard. Thank you for watching.